So in this video we are going to go over further details of how you can use disk management to do various things with your disks. So in the previous video we showed you how to access disk management and how to change the letter of a volume. So this was E, we changed it to W. Today we're going to this video is going to show you how to format and set up an unallocated hard drive that you plugged into your computer. So you can see here I have a 1 gigabyte unallocated disk that I've plugged into this virtual machine. If I right click on that, you can see I have the ability to do new simple volume, new span volume, new striped volume, new mirrored volume. Now it is a very long topic that takes about 15-20 minutes to explain. So if you go ahead and you can Google all of these terms and find a very large amount of information about the different types of volumes. But what we're going to do is set up just a simple volume today, which is just a single 1 gigabyte usable space in Windows that has no redundancy and no backups. So we just click New Simple Volume. You'll see the New Simple Volume wizard pops up, as evidenced by the name right here. And then we'll just follow the wizard. So we click Next. So maximum disk space is 1.21 megabytes. Minimum disk space is 2 megabytes. So we can set it to anywhere in between those numbers. But for the point of this video, we're just going to use it all. So we will set it to the full size, and we'll click Next. We'll click Assign the following drive letter. Okay, so this is the initial setup. In the last one I set up, I selected E, but then I decided I wanted W. So with this one, we'll go with E because E is the next logical. You have the C drive that Windows is installed on. You have the D drive, which is going to be your CD-ROM drive, and then the next volume is E. So what we do is we go ahead and click Next. And we can choose not to format this volume, but for Windows to be able to use it, we will have to format the volume into a usable Windows file system. So how we do that is we go ahead and we click Format this volume with the following settings, and we use FAT32, FAT, NTFS. We can allocate the unit size. We can change the volume, so we already have a new volume, so let's name this one Song Storage. We do a quick format. And if we wanted to enable the ability to compress the files, we'd check this, but I don't do file compression. So we'll just leave that. So we have a volume label, we click Next, and here we can review all of the changes that are going to be applied so that we know what's going to happen, just in case we screwed something up. And then we go ahead and we click Finish. And we wait, and we see Windows is formatting. And we can see that Windows has created Song Storage E is 1021 megabytes of NTFS space, and it is healthy, and it is a primary partition. So you can see Windows Explorer started blinking down here, and you can see Windows auto detected it, and if we open it, there's our new drive. So that's a very basic overview of how disk management works and how you can format and use hard drives in Windows to be able to manage them so that they do what you want them to do instead of just having drives out there.